Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting me. My name is Nicole, and welcome to Four Queens and a King, my YouTube channel. So tonight I am going to be showing anyone that wants to know how to do a Aztec Secret, the Bentonite clay cleanse. Currently right now I am doing the Dr. Herb's full body cleanse, and one of the requirements in there is to try to do a detox bath as much as possible during the week. This is what the Bentonite clay looks like. And if you're wondering like why does the bath look like that, when you add in, this is what the clay looks like. When you add in to the water, and then you need to swirl it around, it gives it this awkward green color. Don't worry, just swirl them around, make sure that the water is hot. When pulling out any cleanses, you don't want to put any soaps in your water because as anybody knows, soaps have chemicals in it, so you can't take a bath to pull out any toxins when you're adding it back in. Also, with my baths, I do like to add Mediterranean sea salt. I will add in eucalyptus oil, and I also like to add in some lavender oil. So that's pretty much how I do my Bentonite clay bath. You want to sit in the bathtub for 15 to 20 minutes, and I recommend adding some candles, watching YouTube on your phone, because you want to submerge your body as much as possible in this, and you want to stay in this up to 15 minutes depending on how hot you have the water. But this is how I do it. Normally after I do a bath like this, you can feel the toxins coming to your stomach, flushing out. Drink lots of water after, because it's going to come out in your pee. You can have a runny nose, come out of your poo, all those different things. So I just recommend staying in as long as possible and doing it as often as possible. Again, like I stated, I am doing a Dr. Herb's full body cleanse. So this is something that I'm doing on a regular basis, sometimes as much as possible during the week. So right now I'm up to like 3 times a week, as much as possible. Also too, I've added the Biore Deep Pore Charcoal Cleanser when I'm cleaning my face. I really like it. So it pulls up all the toxins out of my pores, and it makes my face really feel good. So just another little recommendation. All right, guys. Thank you. Click the subscribe button down below. Have a good day.